Welcome to our YouTube video on creating your own unique designs with Midjourney V5, a step-by-step tutorial. In this video, we'll take you through the latest version of Midjourney and show you how to use it to create stunning generative art. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to use Midjourney V5, including tips and tricks for getting the most out of this powerful AI tool. By the end of the video, you'll have everything you need to create beautiful prints and design custom t-shirts using Midjourney. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on our creative journey together. Don't forget to leave a comment or question, and subscribe to our channel for more Midjourney tutorials and updates. Midjourney V5 is a powerful AI tool that allows you to create stunning generative art. The possibilities are limitless, but it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this tutorial, we'll explore some tips and tricks for getting the most out of Midjourney V5. We'll show you how to use the software to create unique and beautiful designs, from simple patterns to intricate compositions. We'll also share some of our favorite techniques for working with Midjourney V5, including how to use its advanced features to create truly stunning generative art. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this tutorial will give you the tools and inspiration you need to create amazing designs with Midjourney V5. So join us as we explore the limitless possibilities of this powerful AI tool. Midjourney V5 is a powerful AI tool that can be used to create stunning designs for print-on-demand products. To make money with Midjourney, you first need to create unique designs using the tool's generative art capabilities. Once you have your designs, you can upload them to print-on-demand platforms such as Redbubble, Teespring, or Society6, and set them up for sale. When a customer purchases one of your designs, the platform takes care of the printing and shipping, and you earn a commission on each sale. It's important to create designs that are both visually appealing and marketable to ensure maximum sales. Additionally, you can promote your designs on social media, run ads, or collaborate with influencers to increase visibility and drive more sales. With the right strategy, Midjourney V5 can be a valuable tool for making money with print-on-demand products. If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of generative art and Midjourney V5, there are a few steps you can follow to get started. Firstly, you should download Midjourney V5 and become familiar with its features and interface. Once you're comfortable with the tool, start experimenting with different prompts and settings to see what kind of generative art you can create. It's also a good idea to study the work of other generative artists and get inspiration from their creations. As you become more experienced with Midjourney V5, you can start incorporating your own designs and ideas into your generative art. With enough practice, you can go from being a beginner to creating stunning generative art that's uniquely your own. If you're looking to create unique and personalized t-shirts, Midjourney V5 can be an excellent tool to achieve your vision. With its powerful generative art capabilities, Midjourney V5 allows you to design t-shirts that are truly one of a kind. The process is straightforward, and anyone can do it, regardless of their artistic abilities. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Midjourney V5 to create custom t-shirt designs step by step, from selecting your base image to adding generative art and patterns. You'll also get tips on how to use color palettes, adjust settings, and export your final designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to create unique t-shirt designs that stand out from the crowd. Midjourney V5 is a powerful AI tool that can help artists and designers create stunning generative art with ease. With its limitless possibilities, it can be overwhelming for some to know where to begin. However, by following some tips and tricks, users can unlock the full potential of Midjourney V5 and produce unique and visually stunning creations. Some of these techniques may include experimenting with different prompts and settings, utilizing the layering feature to build complex designs, and incorporating unique color schemes and textures. Whether you are an experienced artist or a beginner, this guide will help you discover the creative power of Midjourney V5 and inspire you to explore its endless possibilities. Midjourney V5 is a powerful AI tool that can revolutionize the way you approach art and design. This tool offers limitless possibilities for creating stunning and unique generative art. To get started, simply upload an image or use one of the built-in templates. Then watch as Midjourney V5 generates a one-of-a-kind design. To make the most of this tool, it's important to explore all the features and functionalities available, including the ability to adjust parameters, create custom palettes, and use filters. With Midjourney V5, artists and designers can take their work to the next level and unlock their creative potential like never before. Midjourney V5 is a powerful AI tool that can help you create stunning generative art and design custom products, such as t-shirts, with ease. To maximize your potential with Midjourney V5, there are several tips and tricks you can use. Firstly, experiment with different prompts and settings to see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to play around and try new things. Secondly, use the print-on-demand feature to sell your designs on various platforms, such as Etsy or Amazon. Lastly, take advantage of the community of Midjourney users by sharing your work and collaborating with others. With these tips, you can not only unleash your creativity but also turn it into profit. Midjourney V5 is an AI tool that is revolutionizing the world of generative art. With its advanced algorithms and cutting-edge technology, Midjourney V5 offers limitless possibilities for creating unique and stunning artwork. This tool enables artists and designers to explore new forms, shapes, and patterns that were previously impossible to create by hand. By leveraging the power of Midjourney V5, artists can push the boundaries of their creativity and produce truly one-of-a-kind pieces. In this way, Midjourney V5 represents the future of art, where technology and human creativity come together to produce something truly extraordinary. To use Midjourney V5 for stunning visuals and profitable products, start by familiarizing yourself with the software and its features. Experiment with different settings and parameters to generate unique designs and patterns. Consider the market and the demand for certain types of designs when creating your art. Use Midjourney to create digital prints or use it to design t-shirts and other print-on-demand products. Consider setting up an online store to sell your designs and market them through social media platforms. Continuously improve your skills by exploring new techniques and incorporating feedback from your audience. With a combination of artistic talent, business savvy, and knowledge of Midjourney V5, you can create visually stunning and profitable art. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. We would love to hear your thoughts, comments, and questions about the topic we covered, so please don't hesitate to leave them below. Your feedback is valuable to us and helps us to improve our content and create more relevant videos in the future. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you will be notified whenever we upload new content, so you'll never miss a video again. We are committed to bringing you high quality and engaging videos that will educate and entertain you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.